Hi viewers, I'm here with another math problem. P plus 8 is equal to P, and we have to evaluate the value of P from it. Let's try a solution here in which P plus 8 is equal to P can be written in the form of P minus P is equal to plus 8. I just move this P towards the other side of the equation, and this will give us 0 equal to 8, but these two can't be equal to each other. So let's have another solution for it, which is very easy and interesting. By doing so, let's have the square on both sides of the equation as P plus 8 whole square is equal to P square. P plus 8 into P plus 8. Now is equal to P square. Now we'll simplify these both brackets here. P square plus 8P plus 8P again, and 8 into 8 is equal to 64 whole equal to P square. P square plus 16P plus 64 is equal to P square, and now to eliminate this P square, I'll just move this P square towards this side of the equation with opposite sign. P square minus P square plus 16P plus 64 whole equal to now 0. 16P plus 64 is equal to 0, and 16P is equal to minus 64 here, which will give us P is equal to minus 64 divided by 16 minus 4. P is equal to minus 4 we have found out, but this is not the final step, because we all know that we have to verify the answer. So let's verify it. Minus 4 plus 8 is equal to minus 4, as P is equal to minus 4 here. Here we will have 4 and here minus 4, which can't be equal to each other, so we'll use the absolute values on both sides of the equation to get these equal and final answer. So absolute value of 4 will give us 4 is equal to 4. Left hand side is equal to right hand side here, and P is equal to minus 4 is not a real solution, but this is the answer for this problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel, The Math Habit. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.